me can't left so. If me left me pitney them, I will go take care of me pitney them. Me can't left so. Me have to... No. Me still can't left because if police come, them have to say me and me kill him. So me have to wrap up the body. Either me dig somewhere and hide it or me burn the body. Me have to go back and pretend like say, you know, me do it. Me have to go back. Before they pick the fine out, if the case go wrap up your back and dash it wet. We have to find a way to get rid of this dead body. You dig out one hole round the back and throw it in there. Love you, man, but you're too miserable. You take step on me and you ill-treat me too much. So me have to get rid of you. I feel my case before them picnic come in my yard. Put him down in here so I burn him backside. Give me too much trouble, I'm going to burn him. And him man heavy, you see, man. Jesus. Go feed them, I'm going to throw something for him, I'm going to make him blaze. Go on, fire. Yeah, chew on him, I don't let on him. Fix you up and one more thing back foot. Oh, I can move the rubbish heap and put in here so for a long time I want to burn it. Take up the rubbish then put in there. Oh, then you can put in here. Body. Be a problem you have here, you know. And you have to make case to this before nobody pass and see me or the people them say, what? It's up to you, man. Easy, no bring me, I beg you easy, because I don't want nobody come forward here to this. Get rid of you, man. Get rid of you now. You're not cut text burn! Long time if you get rid of you. Yes, as me I say, brother, they should lock school, you know, brother? No, they lock school for brother. Brother, I miss school, brother, because this online school is mad me, brother, me I tell you, you know? You like joke? Yeah, man, it's mad me, brother. Because brother, I just want to go to school right now and go sit down now on the school bench, brother, and just taking away. But the teacher say, no, brother, I tell you, man, I miss school, brother, I miss school, I tell you, brother. I know where you lock school for. Yeah, man, you know how much things you can go to school go do? Eh? You know how much things you can go to school go do, brother? Just there we are to sit down now and do nothing. Right now, I miss school.
But they may know see me, I do my school work them same way.
Yeah, man. Still I do school with them without.
Yo, brother, what you want?
Where you depend me, brother? A long time in the scene, brother. Where you depend?
Depend, man.
Where you depend, brother?
Yeah, man.
You know, say daddy me can't check for. You know done there.
Daddy.
You done there.
Daddy. You know, say for a whole long time, I study for what you do.
Wait, hold on. You know, so I'm just going up a road though. When you come back from up a road, no check him, no. Ask my daddy.
Yeah, man.
A
true, man. Do that, man.
Yeah, man, that's true.
Yeah, man, because daddy nah. Who ain't not tell me saying God?
Yeah, man, when mama come up, go ask him, man.
Yo, you know what say me I'll go back over here because I have something I do.
Yeah, man, do that. Now look at me.
When your mother come,
Yeah, man. When mommy come, I'll give you a call. You see me?
I may come go check back.
Yeah, man, do that.
Big up.
Yeah.
Good evening, Miss Lillian.
Good evening, young man.
Mommy, you don't expect daddy day?
Your father tired, so he gone for a long rest.
So, Miss Lillian, you don't know which part is that?
He gone for a vacation, and what's so important?
So my father if you go for a long rest, I know my father. Ain't no man will ever tell you saying God. No, sir, I just saw him stay.
He tell me, me tell you, saying God on vacation.
I'll let you tell you instead of tell you that I'm swimming no in. Yes.
Yo, my son, me I tell you,
My father still
me not tired, me not going for no long rest, me not going no way. Me not resting.
Yes, I saw in time, man. And I feel me daddy doing time. Of course.
I feel it. Look yourself. Yo, look yourself for me, you. Look for me. AJ, look for me, look for me, look for me. Me there right yourself for me there. See me right yourself.
Oh, you know to tell which part in God.
Look here, man. That question. When your father gone rest because he's tired. Maybe I don't make king God. So not that father. I mean, he's an adult yet. He's saying God. So me that king saying God. See him, sir? Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, I use so far to come in and people business about question about when are your daddy? No, and your daddy is straight. All you come here come question. You don't live here. Go on in your yard and don't come back here. Yeah, me and my father. Go find thing to do, man. Man, go find thing to do. I don't know question me about no more away. You know that time. You know that time.
Yeah, as I did I say.
Romeo, you don't see something wrong.
That's true, man.
So mommy hide sitting no.
She hide something for
Wait,
true, man.
Bug, forward. I have something to tell you.
She hide something for true.
Yeah, man. She hide sitting.
All along she get angry for it. Someone hide for true, man.
Yes.
Cause
Bug, you never hear this, man. I have to tell you what happened, Bug. Me have to tell you personally what happened, Bug.
Tell me now.
Yes, me see mommy come. I will ask mommy for that day. You know mommy tell you say, Daddy gone on a vacation. He gone on a long rest.
that me not understand. How
Long rest. And I tell you,
that not sound good.
and watching the get in your part, you know tell mom which party he gone. You know tell mommy say he gone on a long rest.
No man, that not look right. Cause as he's a man, you know, when he left out, I'm going to stay for such time. He tell you, you know.
True, man.
True, man. Cause
Yeah, man.
look here now, praying to this. She said she and daddy have little problem. And that maybe make in a left camp on a vacation. And look here now, she said and maybe we making a left. And next she get angry pound.
Yeah, I tell her, you get angry pound, you know. I run this every day I had, no. I run me in the house, you know. Bex, you know, but look for that. She realizing then, because what you know, if a woman and we are active for the she should have glad this way we are active party in there. So we can know how far they sitting wrong.
Wrong, man.
Me not thinking gone on a vacation, no. But long race.
Wait, I wonder if I left there. Or if I throw a mommy house. Mommy run out.
Running out. But wait, what you know? That make you worse, you know, I tell you. Because when you get around the same, I tell you, get around the same, I go move.
So I'm going to move to a new house, that's true, man. What do I tell you?
When daddy are going, he tell you anywhere I'm going. If that still would do no.
Yeah, man, we'll find out how we find out which part daddy did.
That's true enough.
Anywhere daddy are going, tell me. All if man left for me and I go